Let's learn color by building a tower. Red color. R-E-D, red. One red. Two orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Fawn color. F-E-W-N, fawn. One, two, three. Four. Yellow color. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Five. Parrot green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Six. Green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Seven. Sky blue color. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E, blue. Eight. Blue color. B-L-U-E, blue. Nine. Lilac color. L-I-L-A-C, lilac. 10. Purple color. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. We have kept the duck on the tower. Our tower is ready. Wow! It's so colorful.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel.